Welcome in my channel again. Our today's topic is if-else statement. If-else statement is also known as decision making statement or condition statement that is totally depending upon the condition. For example, if I want to go outside to take something or if I want to go for the market, but today my condition is what? If it is raining outside, then I'll not go. If it will not rain, then I will definitely go outside and do my work. Then this is what basically a condition. Depending upon that condition, you want to do something, and if the condition is false, then you want to do something else. This is called what? The if-else statements. Like if I want to check A is a number and B is the number. A is having some value and B is also having some value. But I want to print the greater number between A and B. Then what I need to do is, first of all, I need to take the values of A and B, and here I need to check whether A is greater than B. I say it's yes and no. Here is the condition, A is greater than B. Here is yes and here is no. If A is greater than B, then I have to print what? A over here, otherwise B. Obviously B is greater than A. Some another condition like this, like suppose I have a number called A. I want to check whether the number is positive or negative. Then I have to check what? First of all the value, and then I need to check. If A is greater than equal to 0, it means A is greater than equal to 0. If the number is greater or equal to 0, then it is a positive number. Then you have to print what? The positive number. If it is not greater than or equal to 0, then it is what? The negative number. It is not greater than 0, obviously it is a negative number. This is called what? If-else statement. It is a statement. It's a condition statement. It's not a loop. Look, what is the syntax of this? Syntax is if. C is a case sensitive language and if is a keyword, then you have to write as it is in small cases. In between you have to write what? The condition. This condition will return either true or false. True means 1, false means 0. Here are the set of instructions in this block. These statements I want to execute when my condition is true. It means if, and inside the condition, this condition will return either true or false. If it returns true, then the control will go inside this block and execute this set of instructions. Otherwise, it can be one or more than one statement. If the condition is false, then it will come out from the block directly and execute the statements which are in our rest of the program. Now this is called what? If condition. But if I want to execute some statements, if the condition is false, then you need to go with what? If else. If else. Then you have to go with what? If, and after that what? Else. And this is what? The else block. The if and the else block should be adjacent. There should not be any statement in between the if and else block. If the condition is true, then it will execute this set of instructions. If the condition is false, then it will come out from the if part and then it will execute the else part. Else means if the condition is false, then it will execute what? This set of instructions. Now I'm taking one example. I'm taking the values of two variables A and B from the user and I'll check which number is greater. Then what you need to do is you have to write the program #include stdio.h void main. Here this is the declaration part. Here you need to declare it. If you want to clear your screen, then clear screen. Here you can include what? Conio.h also for clear screen. Printf, enter two numbers. These are what? Enter two numbers. Scanf, to take the user values, %d, ampersand a. User will give two values, obviously a and b respectively. They will store from %d, ampersand a. This value will store in a and this value will store in b. Now I want to check which number is greater. If, now I have to write what? If a is greater than b, this is my condition. Remember, this is relational operator. All the relational operators are giving the value in the Boolean form, true or false. If it is true, then what I need to print is printf greater is %d. Which value? A. Else you need to print what? Printf greater is %d, that is b. Otherwise, now it will take the values from the user and check a and b. If I say a is here and b is here, a is having 5 and b is having 10. User has entered 5 and 10. 5 is greater than 10. No. Then it will not go inside. It will come out and execute the else block. Greater number is b. b की value यहाँ पर आएगी. It will print what? The b's value. If I say 15 and 10, the user will enter what? 15 and 10. Then 15 is greater than 10. It is true. Then it will go in the if block, not the else block. Only one block will execute, either if or else, not both the blocks will execute. Taking one more example, I want to check what? Whether a number is positive or negative. Then what I need to take? I have to take what? A single variable. I will take a number, enter a number, scanf %d a. Now I want to check what? Whether it is positive or negative. If a is greater than equal to 0, if a is 0 or greater than 0, it's a positive number, then I have to write what? Printf positive. Else negative you need to print over here. One more thing, if you have any single statement after if condition, loop, whatever, then there is no need to put the curly braces over here to make the block. By default, it will execute one statement. If you want to write more than one statement in a single block, then you have to write what? The curly braces. This is compulsory. A is having what? 5. 5 is greater than equal to 0, then it will print what? Positive number, because it will return what? True over here. And if I say -5, then it will return what? False. -5 is greater than 0. No, it is less than 0. Then it will come over here in else block and it will print what? The negative number. This is all about the if-else statement. Next is what? You can check whether a number is between 1 to 100 or not. Whether the number is between 1 to 100 or not. It is in the range of 1 to 100 or not. Then what you need to do is, you have to, this is my main function, I have to take a variable called a. Please include the header files over here. Printf enter a number. Scan करा लेते हैं. %d %a. Now I have what? A variable called a, and I got the value from scanf function. Now I need to check whether a number is between 1 to 100 or not. Then the number should be greater than or equal to 1, and it should be less than or equal to 100. Like if I have to put two conditions in a single block. A is greater than equal to 1. Either a is greater than or equal to 1, and a is less than equal to 100. It should be, a should be greater than and equal to 1 or less than equal to 100. A should be in the range of 1 to 100, means and. This is and operator. If both the conditions should true. If I say a is, then I'll print a is between 1 to 100. Else not. If I say my value is 50, 50 is greater than equal to 1. Yes, it's true. This condition is true. 50 is less than equal to 100. This is again true. Then both the true will return what? The true. And it will go inside and print A is between 1 to 100. If I say A is 150, then it will return A is greater than equal to 1. Yes, it is true. 150 is greater than equal to 1. 150 is less than equal to 100. No, it's false. This is the truth table. If A I have and B, and this is the result. True. If A and B both are true, then it will return what? True. If one is false, then it will return false. If either A is false and B is true, then again it will return false. Both the conditions should be true. If both are false, then again it will return what? False. This is AND. If I keep over here what? OR operator, then it will check the condition, both the conditions. A is true, B is true, then it will return true. If A is true, B is false, but one is true, then it will return what? True. Again true. Here is false because both the conditions are false. This is OR operator. Then 150 is less than equal to 100. No, it is greater than 100. False. Then true and false will return what? The false. Then it will come into the else block and it will return A is not in the range of 1 to 100. This is the output. Now I want to check a number is odd or even number. If the number is multiple of 2, then it is an even number. If it is not a multiple of 2, then it will return what? False. Odd number. Then what I need to check over here? If A mod 2 equal to 0. A mod 2 equal to 0. This is the sign of comparison operator, whether it is equal or not. A mod 2 means whatever result it may be of this expression, if it is equal to 0, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Suppose then it's a even number, otherwise it's a odd number. What you need to check over here? If I'm taking a number called A is having what? 15. 15 is divided by 2 and the remainder is 1. 1 is the remainder. This expression will return what? The remainder, that is 1. 1 is equal to 0. No, it will return what? False and come into the else part and print what? The number is odd. If I say number is 10, then 5s are 10, then it will return what? 0 as remainder. Then 0 is equal to 0. Yes, then it will come inside the even block. The number is even. This is all about the simple if-else statement. In our next class, we will cover the nested if-else statement, if-else ladder. If you have any doubt in today's class about if-else, the examples we have taken today, then you can write the queries in comment box so that I can try to resolve your problems and try to execute these programs on Turbo C++ IDE also, so that you can practice more. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and share it with friends, relatives, so that everyone can get the benefit. Thank you.